if you're a guy and you've clicked on my video, don't take a U-turn. Skincare isn't biased to any gender. I'm not a dermatologist or a skincare expert. I'm just very enthusiastic about skincare. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be telling you all how to build a skincare routine for beginners, and I'm also going to tell you what products I use and how I like them and how to use those products. So let's get on to the video. The first step and the most important thing you need to know is what kind of skin do you have and what problems do you want to solve of your skin. Do you have dry skin? Do you have oily skin? Do you have like very acne prone skin? Do you have combination skin, which is oily on the T-zone and dry on the side? Or do you have just normal dry skin or whatever? So first, when you know that, you can get your products accordingly. Like on the package it will say for dry skin, for oily skin or whatever. So I am a normal to dry skin, so I normally, when I'm buying products, I see for dry skin because my skin is not oily in any way and I would love to put moisture on it. And the second step to begin your routine is to follow the CTM method, which is cleanse your face, washing your face, toning your face. So when you wash your face, the pores of your skin open and then dust and pollutants can get in easily, which will cause acne or breakouts, whiteheads, blackheads, all of that. So to prevent those things, we put a toner after our face wash, which closes our pores and maintains the pH balance of our skin. And then the third step, which is M, is moisturize your skin, just to put moisture. And even oily skin people have to moisturize their skin. You will get a gel based moisturizer for oily skin, but do not skip moisturizing your skin. This is like the most basic thing you have to do for your skin. Cleanse your face, tone your face, moisturize your skin. And that's about basic 3 products you have and you are sorted. And then now I'll show you how you can elaborate your skincare routine and how to use your face wash, your toner and your moisturizer. So for me, I have 4 steps in my routine. I cleanse my face, I tone my face, I use a serum, and I moisturize my skin. Now you might be like, what does a serum do or whatever. This is a very concentrated formula to solve problems. Like, see, look at my skin. I have like no foundation or anything to cover anything on my skin. I just have mascara. So I have little breakout. I have marks on my forehead. I have a few marks on my skin, and this is how my skin is naturally. So for the fact that I want to solve these problems, I use a serum. But if you don't have any problems on your skin and your skin is beautifully flawless, you do not need a serum. And also, if you're using a serum under the age of 20, do not go for any 10% niacinamide, 20% vitamin C. That's not what you need. It will damage your skin. You need a very mild serum. And the only brand I know till now out of the 1,000 brands of skincare that I'm aware of is Mamaearth. You might use moisturizers and face washes from any brand you want, but serum, only Mamaearth, because serum is very concentrated. If we put too much chemicals on our skin, we will damage it instead of doing good. So this is the serum I personally use. This, can you read it? Wait. Okay, I'll just read it. It says for acne, marks and scars. And also one step that every single human being existing on this planet has to put on their skin. Even if you don't want to listen to me to do the CTM method, wash your face and put this one thing on your face and it will be amazing. Use a sunscreen. Using a sunscreen is one of the most necessary and important step that nobody ever can miss. I cannot stretch on this enough, but use a sunscreen. It's the most important step of your skincare. Otherwise your skin will get sunburn, pigmentation, dark spots, sunspots, and basically it will lead to severe damage, premature aging, and we don't want that. So use a sunscreen. You can use any sunscreen you want. I hate sunscreen that leave those white casts on my skin, but the sunscreen I use, you already know. It's the Mamaearth Ultra Light Indian Sunscreen. So this is extremely light. It does not leave the white cast, just that you have to massage it into your skin. So this is extremely important. So let's begin, and I'll tell you how to wash your face. And I wash my face with soap twice, like with a proper cleanser twice a day. So the First time I wash my face, when I wake up in the morning, I do not use a face wash. If you haven't checked out my 10 healthy habits every girl should follow or something, I'll put it up here or in the description box below. But there I clearly tell you all that do not use a face wash when you wake up in the morning. But I wash my face twice with a soap cleanser, and do not do it that more than twice because it'll make your skin dry and it's not good for your skin. So the first time I wash it is in the shower, and after I have a shower, you know, when you have a hot shower, the steam goes and the pores of your skin open, and that's when the cleanser can clean your skin better. So after I have a shower, I just splash some warm water on my face, and then I use this particular Rice Water Bright face wash from Face Shop. And then it's a foaming face wash, so then I put it on my hand a little bit. You need this much of face wash from this particular brand. You need hardly any face wash. So I'll put a little face wash on my hand and start massaging my entire face for 60 seconds. So always remember, wash your face for 60 seconds, not more than that, not less than that, because less than 60 seconds you won't clean your face completely, and more than 60 seconds you'll be drying out your skin because your skin does not need so long to clean your skin. So I massage it well, and then when I'm washing it off, I use cold water. So after I turn my tap to the cold water setting and I wash my face out with cold water, so that will automatically close my pores, but not like completely. Okay, something for your face washes that you have to know is you need to know, you know, what concerns. So mostly everyone should use, not should use, but everyone can use a charcoal face wash. Like mostly nobody is allergic to charcoal, and the charcoal face wash from Wow is amazing. Like I've used 2 bottles of those and I love it. The charcoal face wash from Mamaearth is really good, and I use the rice water one, but this is a little expensive. So for beginners, I feel you should start with a Wow or a Mamaearth face wash. So that's something you should know. Like use a charcoal one or an aloe vera, whatever you like, whatever your skin asks for. Just go to the website, see their face wash options, and I would suggest getting the charcoal one if you're starting off, because that's like amazing. So then I have to go in with the next step, that is the toner. And for the toner, I use rose water. I'll show you so I basically use the Banjara's rose water. I get the big bottle because me and my mom both use this as a toner, and I put it in a spray bottle like this. So after I'm out of the shower, 30 seconds after you wash your face, you should tone your face. So just spray toner on your face. I prefer spray toners. You're supposed to dab it into your skin. So after you put a toner, you spray it and dab it into your skin. Do not rub your toner on your face. You just need to dab it very gently all over your face. Next step, after 30 to 60 seconds of waiting after you apply your toner, you have to wait because it gets absorbed, and then later you can put more toner before you put your serum. So then you put your serum, 2 dots, one on top, nicely massage, dab it into your skin, and that again, let it sit for a while. Next step, you moisturize your skin after 30 seconds of applying your toner. So the moisturizer I use is Mamaearth's Natural Radiance Day Cream, and I take around 1.5 to 2 pumps, massage it, and when you're putting a moisturizer on your skin, make sure to massage it from the corners of your face and then bring it in the middle of your T-zone, because your T-zone is naturally pretty oily, most skin types. So start from the sides and then come in the middle. So that's done with your moisturizer, and then you apply your sunscreen, or you can mix your sunscreen with your moisturizer. It's completely your choice. So basically this moisturizer that I use already has an SPF, but to show you I put a sunscreen, otherwise I usually would not put a sunscreen. But if your moisturizer does not have an SPF, you have to put a sunscreen on top. So that's about it with our skincare routine. And then after we put our sunscreen or a SPF moisturizer, wait for around 10 to 15 minutes, 30 minutes for the best results before getting out of your house, because it will penetrate in your skin properly. And yeah, that's good. And then now I'm going to be telling you all the necessities you should have for your skin, like all the must-haves. So yeah, let's go on to that. When I have any problem on my skin, I just put these things and I am sorted. So let's start off by an aloe vera gel. Any aloe vera gel is very, very important for you to own, because see, if you have irritated skin, just apply aloe vera gel. Your skin is not functioning well, put aloe vera gel. Any DIYs for face, aloe vera gel. So aloe vera gel can be used as a night mask, a night cream, whatever you want. But aloe vera gel is such an important product for you to own, mainly if you're interested in skincare, because it has 1,000 benefits. I would totally suggest you all to get the Mamaearth one or the Face Shop one, whichever works out in your budget. The Wow one is supposed to be good, but I personally am allergic to vitamin C, and that aloe vera gel has citric acid in it, so I cannot use it. The next product is like my ride or die if you're an acne prone skin or you get occasional pimples. Like I get around 1 pimple or 2 pimples a month. Please don't come. I hate it when I get pimples. Whenever I appreciate my skin, pimples is haha, you can't appreciate it, I'm coming. So that's what happens. But yeah, that's how often I break out. And I use tea tree oil. Now tea tree oil is like the best thing after you apply your serum or after you apply your toner, depends on if you're using a serum or not. You apply tea tree oil. Now for the longest time I used the Body Shop tea tree oil, and it's great. But the only problem with it is it's damn expensive. It's I think 1,200 bucks for the 20 ml bottle and 600 bucks for the really small bottle. I have the 20 ml bottle with me right now, and I used it from when I was in 5th grade. I think I already said that. Okay. And it's great. You apply it on your pimple or whatever acne, whatever you have, and it will get disappeared from your skin much faster than you would ever imagine. So yeah, get a tea tree oil. But the problem with this is because it's so expensive, plus since lockdown is then you can't really go out and get it. We came across the Nilgiris tea tree oil, which is 300 bucks for 100 ml of product, and dude, it is better than the Body Shop one. Like I love the Body Shop one, I'm an OG user of it, but I came across this, got it, and dude, I filled it in my Body Shop bottle because I really like the type this comes out. Like it's in a dropper form, but it's great. Oh my god, the fragrance. Yeah, so tea tree oil is a necessity for people who ever get pimples and all of that. Get your hands on tea tree oil, you'll thank me later. Now, the next must have you should have is a clay mask. Any sort of clay mask. The only mask I've tried, not the only mask I've tried, but the only mask I like as a clay mask is the Mamaearth C3. It is so affordable and it's like a great mask. It has charcoal, coffee and clay. Any mask that has clay in it, you don't, these sheet masks and all are for fun, one time use, all of that, but this mask is great. So when your skin feels very bad and dull, and you don't like those, there are those days. See, I've hit the pan. That's how much I love it. I think this is my 3rd stub. So have a clay based face mask and it will save you. You just apply it, and when you wash it off, you feel like this baby soft skin, and tightened, cleansed from inside the pores, and your skin will feel amazing. So that's one must have. And the must have you should have is a vitamin E oil. You can have any brand vitamin E oil. I personally use these capsules. It's pretty effective and it's 27 bucks for this much. So it's great. So you take this capsule. The way I like to use it, see, I have 1 left. That's how much I like it. It must be like my 10th strip of this. You take this capsule, you put a hole in it, or you cut it with the scissors, and this is the way I like to use it the most. So I take my night cream, which is the Overnight Repair by Mamaearth, or I use an aloe vera gel, but that's a different story. So when I put this, I take like 2 pumps on my hand, and I put 2 or 3 drops of vitamin E. Basically, before you go to sleep, just grease up your face, like put all the moisture on your skin, so when you wake up, you have like the softest, smoothest, nicest skin. So you mix vitamin E oil in your moisturizer or in any of your DIYs. But if you're a teenager and you're like on a budget to get some good skincare, any moisturizer you're using in the night, mix vitamin E and it's the best. So that's it for my video. I hope you're gonna start a skincare routine after seeing this. Please do. It's very important. You should. Yeah, so if you have any doubts, any questions on how you should apply a product or what product will suit your skin, comment down below or DM me on Instagram. Be free to always ask me. I'll answer if I'm aware. Hopefully I am. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because you should. Like, why not? And yeah, also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram page, where is it? Okay, yeah, that's my Instagram page. And yeah, turn your bell notifications on so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, and you'll be like the first one to watch my video. And comment down below if you're the first one. So if I ever have a giveaway, I'll keep in mind. Okay, all jokes aside, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to do all like, share, subscribe, all of that. Comment down below whatever concerns you have. And yeah, bye guys.